an outdoor party, the first thing is consider the compatibility of the place. Choosing a temporary with strong flexible space is the best choose. The crown tent, which has a high space to use and can be quickly installed and removed, is favored by outdoor lovers. The tent has a crown-like shape. Bring a brand new visual impact to party participants. Wood grain walls increase the relaxing experience of being nature. No upright and pole with interior space can be arranged into a variety of party scenes. It is also easy change to special restaurants, bonfire parties, and music festival scenes quickly.